Dear Calgarians, join us for our open house on Friday, May 30th. Discover what makes Flying Minds a hub for curious, creative, and confident learners. We're excited to welcome families to our open house on May 30th from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Come and explore our space, meet our passionate educators, and learn more about our summer camps, Singapore Math, Lego Robotics and Young Engineers program, art classes, chess club, Abacus, high school learning hub, and other solutions we offer to school children. What to expect? Hands-on activity stations, camp previews and program demos, special discounts for attendees, meet and greet with instructors, free snacks and fun surprises for kids. Whether you are a returning family or visiting for the first time, this is a great chance to see how Flying Minds can support your child's growth and imagination this summer and beyond. Location 10325 Bonaventure Drive Southeast. Please reserve the spot by following the link below. We can't wait to see you all here.